Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by scanning the problem for nearby friendly values and immediately pick compatible numbers that make mental division simple. Look for multiples of 10, 25, 50, or 100, and round the numerator and denominator to those values. Once done, check proportionality. If you scaled one value, scale the other by the same factor so the quotient remains representative. Make sure to note how much you changed each number so you can interpret the estimate accurately. Now perform the mental division using your chosen compatible numbers and produce the initial estimate. As you calculate, compare that estimate back to the original numbers to see if you rounded up or down. If the error seems large, refine by choosing closer compatible values. Also use simple fractions, like 1/2 or 1/4, to gauge whether your estimate is too high or too low. This refinement step ensures you understand both the how and why behind the estimate. Finish by converting any scaled estimate back to the original scale and state the result clearly, including a reasonable margin of error if needed. Explain why the estimate makes sense given the rounding choices, and make sure the final number answers the original question. If the estimate feels off, troubleshoot by checking the direction of your rounding. Choose closer compatible numbers, or use a different friendly divisor to reduce error, and repeat the mental division for a tighter result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.